linear magnification of lens. Let us see the magnification of the lens for convex. So convex lens we are going to see that. Okay. So this is a convex lens. When the incident ray, that is a light from the object, will fall on that lens and it will be refracted and forms the image here. So H1 is a object height. H2 is a image height, that is the size of the object and the size of the image. So the sign, as per the sign convention, H1 is a plus and H2 is minus y-axis, that is minus H2. Then the U is a minus U because distance between the object and the lens, it is in the left side of the x-axis, that is minus U. Then image distance is plus V, lens and the image distance. The distance between the lens and the focus is focal length F, that is also positive. So what is a magnification? Magnification means size of the image by size of the object. What is the size of the image? H2. Then what is the size of the object? H1. We can take that size of the image as H2 and the size of the object as H1. By taking the triangles ABO and A dash B dash O. These two triangles are same means, so A dash B dash by AB, A dash B dash by AB is equal to OB dash by OB. So that is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. So A dash B dash by AB is equal to OB dash by OB. What is a dash B dash? A dash B dash is a H2. So this is minus H2. Then what is a AB? AB is a plus H2. So here plus H2. Then OB dash is a plus V. OB dash is a plus V. And OB is a minus U. Minus get cancelled. We get H2 by H1 is equal to V by U. What is a H2 by H2? H1. The H2 by H1 is a magnification of the lens. Hence we can write the magnification of the lens as M is equal to H2 by H1 is equal to V by U. So the magnification of the lens can be written as, if you take the thin lens formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, multiply u on both sides. So u by f is equal to u by v minus u by u is a minus 1. Then you bring this one this side, u by v which is equal to 1 plus u by f. What is the magnification? Magnification is v by u. By rearranging this equation we get f by f plus u. So we can represent the magnification of the lens in terms of the focal length and the object distance. Similarly, if you multiply both sides by V, that is a image distance, means V by F is equal to V by V minus V by U. V by V is a 1. So what we will get? V by F is equal to 1 minus V by U. What is a V by U? That is a magnification. V by U is a magnification. So you bring this one and you bring this side. So rearranging these equations, we get an answer F minus V by F. So this is a magnification equation in terms of focus, focal length and the image distance. So these are all the relations between linear magnification in terms of object distance, image distance, focal length, as well as we are already studied about object height and image height.